the skirt. It got so much movement. I love it. I love this hairstyle. It's so cute. Eats down. Oh my God. Sweating is an understatement. Horses, what the fuck?
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Today is Sunday. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. I just got up 15 minutes ago. Really, I've been up since 5:45. I just went back to sleep for an hour or 45 minutes or whatever. I got 3 yards of this fabric. I got to shoot today, so I want to make my outfit. I want to make and style an outfit. It's a little see-through, but like not too see-through. So I feel like I'm probably more than likely gonna double layer or maybe triple layer, we'll see. But double I feel like could be fine. I'm grown. That's what I'm gonna do, just add an elastic waistband. I already have like this brown shirt that I got made that I feel like I might wear with it. I don't know, but then I also too like this red top, that red shirt right there that I could wrap. I feel like, I don't know, because it got red in it. I just started looking at that. But I might just make it a set, a skirt or something. But we about to make and style an outfit. We're making something. And first I'm going to start off with a skirt.
Right here, I had cut out the skirt and I went ahead and cut the tiers as well, which you're about to see in a second, to lay over the skirt just so it wouldn't be so see-through, because the skirt was initially just one layer. Yeah, it was one layer. So I started cutting out these just long rectangular kind of pieces just so I can drape it around the skirt. Right here I'm cutting the rectangle pieces, just 2 separate little pieces, so I can add those onto the skirt just so it won't be too see-through in the sunlight. In the next clip I'm gonna explain it a little more clear, but to get my measurements for the circle, I did just take my hip measurement and divided that by 6.28.
The circle in the middle of the skirt, because it's basically just my waist measurements divided by 6.28, which is like the radius and pi. So we're just, anyways, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted again. This is really just getting the measurements of where to cut the circle so it can be long enough for the waist. That's why you dividing it by 6.28. But I also cut like these little strips too that I'm gonna just free pin around the skirt just to give it like extra movement and flow, because the skirt is see-through and I am doing a photo shoot in the sun and I don't want it to just be bare ass. Like this, and then have these pieces on here like that. Yeah, I feel like that'd be cute. I'm about to go ahead and just pin the skirt right here around, and then so I'm gonna pop back in.
Right here I'm attaching the skirt and one of the rectangle pieces. It is sped up, but I'm taking my time to just make sure I'm attaching it around the circle, and I'm using a zigzag stitch, and then I'll go in with the second one once I'm done sewing the first one to create the layer effect on the skirt. I did decide to go with the elastic waistband. This was my first time doing this type of waistband, but I do like it. I did not like the thread because it definitely wasn't black, but at Walmart they didn't have the black thread that I was looking for, so I got the closest thing to it. My stitching will get better. This was the first time, not the last.
Took out my hair. I added 3 clip-ins to my fro just to you know, make it a little bigger. I might add some clips too right here, like some little pins or something, so it can be cute. I did my lashes too this morning. I did my lashes, made an outfit. I'm about to make a waist bead. And I'm trying to debate if I want to eat before I go, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Let me show the skirt. This is the skirt. It got so much movement. I love it. So, yes. This is my first time making a skirt like this, but I really like it. I'm gonna roll my J and then probably make another waist bead, like one more. I don't know if I'm gonna do green or blue. I love this hairstyle. It's so cute. Eats down. Oh my God. Sweating is an understatement. I know.
Always tell the truth, can you answer me? What is it you see? Why do you believe? Ooh, it's deep for being. This kind of love is freeing me.
Horses, what the fuck?
What is it you see in me? Tell me, why do you believe in me? Would you keep your schedule free for me? I love it here, pleasing me. Go on and get deep for me. This kind of love is free in me. I'm listening, you can speak to me. Tell me, what it is you need from me. What is it you see in me? Tell me, why do you believe in me? Would you keep your schedule free for me? I love it here, pleasing me. Go on and get deep for me. This kind of love is free in me. I'm listening, you can speak to me. Tell me, what it is you need from me. Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.